This is Agnes, and today I'll walk you through my final Express project. Um, this is how it looks. This is the home page, and if you press on generate, it's going to generate you the random cocktail, which comes with the name of the cocktail, the image of the cocktail, as well as the ingredients and instructions how to do it. This is random, so every time when you refresh it, it's going to come with a different cocktail there. So let's go to the navbar, and if we press on recipes, it's going to take you to all of the cocktail recipes. It's a long list in there, and if you press on the cocktail, it's going to take you to that specific cocktail's recipe, and it comes with a name, image, ingredients, and instructions how to make it. It is the same for the spirits. So for the spirits, you can go in and read about that exact spirit, the description about it, what is it, and of course we have a login system. So let's log in. When you're logged in, you're going straight to your profile page, and here you can add your own cocktail. Let's add one, for example, Agnes special cocktail. It's very appropriate today, with like juice and loads of ice. It's nice and warm outside, so just put everything together. And if we add, so the cocktail should be add. If you go to see my cocktails, it should be underneath. That's right, you can see all of them. They're there. So my and if you go back to your profile page, my logout button didn't want to work. I'll talk about that when we're gonna get to the code. But yeah, so you can go into application and you can delete the cookie. Just this one, delete it, and we can go back. And this is going to take us to the login page now, because before that, if you're logged in, you can't see the login page anymore. Same, you can register, and yeah. Okay, so let's go to the code. I'm actually very proud of myself. Of course, this is not the perfect project, but I have done my best, and I'm very, very proud of what I achieved. I went through all of your videos, started everything from scratch, and yeah. So I have two schemas. One is for the cocktail, and that's for my own one, for the MongoDB. I have one for the cocktail, and one for the spirits, as well as one for the user. I have multiple routers as well. So if we go to app.js, that's going to be like, you can see, those are the ones for my own. This is for the MongoDB. I also have the cocktails router, and I have the spirits one. All of them are used as well. And let's go to the cocktails first. Okay, so before, I think I was talking to you, couldn't get my cocktails working, and one of the reasons was this little router. I had for each of my category, I made a multiple routers, which of course is not the right way, but I spent time in them and I didn't want to delete. So you can see them, they're all there. They're all of them are commented out. But as I progressed, I think learning about Express, I knew that this is the best way how to create our router for multiple use. And this is the one which is cocktails/ID. I also have one for just for cocktails, and that's the list of the cocktails which you can see, and the random one router as well. That's the cocktail ones. I also have the spirits. This is everything from the, as you can see, from the external API. So this all comes from external one. Again, I have my spirits. I have my spirits based on ID, as well as all hard coded into into the system routers for each of my spirits. They're there. You can have a look, but of course I use the one which is more appropriate. I also created my own ones for the MongoDB, and those are for the MongoDB crash. So you can get all of the cocktails what are in the database. Then you can return data from one cocktail, and you can both create one, you can update cocktail, and you can add a comment for the cocktail as well as the likes for the cocktail. It's the same with the spirits, and yeah, you can also create and you can update. All this works. I'm very, very proud of myself of doing it. Obviously, I don't have much to show you what I've learned independently, but in my opinion, this all has been independent learning. So I liked it. It was very, very hard. Of course, I had, before starting this, when we didn't know that we're going to be all at home, I had all my vision going that I can search the cocktails and I can, do multiple stuff with them. Didn't work out like that. But still, I learned so much, and I can't thank you enough for your helpful videos, which actually really, really, really helped. And yeah, so now let's talk about the users.js file. And here you can, of course, set the user, and you can log in, you can log out, you can get into your profile page. You can update the password in there as well. Just to show you. Yeah, you can update the password in there. All of them configuration files are in here as well, which is how you connect to the Cocktails API, the MongoDB, and yeah, and then what else? That's it. That's my final project. Just wanted to thank you again and tell you how proud I am of myself. Without your help, I wouldn't be able to finish this project. Of course, it's not ideal, it's not perfect, but I've done it myself, and I'm very, very, very proud of it. Thank you.